Hello everyone, welcome back to our day 10 of our AWS MCQ quiz series. Let's get started. Question 1. Which AWS service provides a fully managed serverless data warehouse? A. Amazon RDS, B. Amazon Redshift Serverless, C. Amazon DynamoDB, or D. AWS Glue. The correct option is B. Amazon Redshift Serverless. Question 2. Which AWS service enables zero downtime database migrations? A. AWS DMS, B. AWS Glue, C. Amazon Aurora, or D. AWS Backup. The correct option is A. AWS DMS. Question 3. Which AWS feature provides temporary security credentials for applications? A. IAM rules, B. IAM users, C. IAM policies, or D. AWS Shield. The correct option is A. IAM roles. Question 4. Which service is best for running containerized applications without managing servers? A. Amazon ECS on EC2, B. AWS Lambda, C. AWS Fargate, or D. Amazon EKS. The correct option is C. AWS Fargate. Question 5. Which AWS service is used for object level access logging in S3? A. AWS CloudTrail data events, B. CloudWatch logs, C. AWS config, or D. S3 access points. The correct answer is A. AWS CloudTrail data events. Question 6. Which AWS service is designed for real-time fraud detection using ML? A. Amazon Fraud Detector, B. Amazon Recognition, C. AWS Detective, or D. Amazon Comprehend. The correct option is A. Amazon Fraud Detector. Question 7. Which AWS service is most suitable for IoT device data ingestion? A. Amazon SNS, B. AWS IoT Core, C. AWS Glue, or D. Amazon Athena. The correct option is B. AWS IoT Core. Question 8. Which AWS service supports disaster recovery by replicating workloads across regions? A. AWS Backup, B. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery, C. Amazon RDS Multi-AZ, or D. AWS Global Accelerator. The correct option is B. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery. Question 9. Which AWS service helps in centralizing and automating governance at scale? A. AWS Config, B. AWS Control Tower, C. AWS CloudFormation, or D. AWS Inspector. The correct option is B. AWS Control Tower. Question 10. Which AWS service allows real-time video streaming? A. Amazon Recognition, B. Amazon Kinesis Video Streams, C. AWS Lambda, or D. AWS AppSync. The correct option is B. Amazon Kinesis Video Streams. Question 11. Which AWS service provides a managed Apache Kafka solution? A. Amazon MQ, B. Amazon MSK, C. Amazon Kinesis, or D. AWS Glue. The correct option is B. Amazon MSK. Question 12. Which AWS service can automatically detect and mask sensitive data in databases? A. Amazon Macie, B. Amazon Aurora, C. Amazon RDS Data Masking, or D. AWS Inspector. The correct option is C. Amazon RDS Data Masking. Question 13. Which AWS tool provides best practice checks for security, fault tolerance, and cost optimization? A. AWS Config, B. AWS Trusted Advisor, C. AWS Shield, or D. AWS Macy? The correct option is B. AWS Trusted Advisor. Question 14. Which AWS service provides quantum computing resources? A. AWS SageMaker, B. Amazon Braket, C. Amazon EMR, or D. AWS Glue? The correct option is B. Amazon Braket. Question 15. Which AWS service helps monitor and analyze DNS traffic for threats? A. AWS WAF, B. Amazon Route 53 Resolver DNS Firewall, C. Guard Duty, or D. CloudTrail? And the correct option is B. Amazon Route 53 Resolver DNS Firewall. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AWS quizzes.